Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable SAML single sign-on in Salesforce. First, log in to Salesforce as a system administrator. In the top right corner, click the gear icon and select Advanced Setup. This will open the Setup menu in a new page. On the top of the screen, find the Quick Find search box. Type Single Sign-On Settings. Under Identity, click on Single Sign-On Settings. Once you are on that page, click the Edit button. You will see a checkbox labeled SAML Enabled. Select this checkbox to enable SAML in your organization. Then click Save. Now we will create a new SAML configuration. In the SAML Single Sign-On Settings section, click New. If your identity provider gave you a metadata XML file, you can choose New from Metadata File instead and upload it. If you are entering the details manually, start by giving the configuration a name. The API name will autofill, but you can adjust it if needed. For issuer, enter the unique URL provided by your identity provider. Next, upload the identity provider certificate. This certificate is required so Salesforce can trust the authentication response. For SAML identity type, select Assertion contains the federation ID from the user object. Then enter the identity provider login URL. This is the URL where Salesforce will send authentication requests. Click Save to create the SSO setting. Finally, go to Setup and search for My Domain. Under Company Settings, open My Domain. In the Authentication Configuration section, click Edit. Check the box next to your new SSO service under Authentication Service. Click Save. SSO is now enabled and available on your login page. Thanks for watching.